So literally yesterday, I was looking through Black Friday deals and I saw some brakes on sale from R1 Concepts. You can see here, R1 Concepts. I got some brakes for the TSX because it's been needing them for months already. I ordered them yesterday, like at 8 in the morning, and they're here today already, and it's barely 12. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty quick. These are some heavy rotors, but let me unbox them and show you them right now. So here they are. Drilled and slotted rotors with R1 Concept OE brakes, which I'm gonna put for the front because it really needs them. And I don't know when I'm gonna have time to do it, but once I have time, I'll continue the video. But this is just a little unboxing of the brakes that I got. I think these are E-line brakes. That's the brand or something. They're pretty nice. These things are huge. I didn't know how big the rotors were for the TSX. I've never seen like the actual rotors. They're pretty big. Hopefully it's for the TSX, but alright. I'll pick this up later. Alright, so a little update for the brakes. I got them in now. They arrived yesterday. This is what they sent me. They're the right ones. Different brand. I ordered R1 Concepts originally, but I can't even complain. I didn't have to return these. So I kept the rears and they gave me some DFC fronts. So now I'm gonna go to AutoZone and pick up like the grease I need and all that stuff. And I'm gonna take the Integra. So yeah, the Integra's back up. I'm working on a video for that too as well. I'll probably try to finish recording that. Today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to anyone. I have the car up already because I wanted to test these two out because I know these could be super hard. I know it was really hard for the Integra. We needed to get like that impact hammer, but just with the regular screwdriver, I was able to loosen them. It's not like they were super loose. Like I did put a little bit of pressure, but they were good. I forgot who told me, but they told me to put anti-seize on those little screw screws, and so I'm gonna get some anti-seize so it could be easy for the next time. And I'm also gonna get the lube for the pins. And I'm gonna take the Integra since the TSX is technically down right now. And let's see if it turns on. Maybe it turns on in the second try. There it is. So we'll go to AutoZone right now. It's about like 5 minutes or less from here. I just changed something else, so that's why I'm testing the car out, which you'll see in a different video. I don't like my volt start, it's a little too low. Volt start should be like 1500. Like around there, that's me putting gas. And I'll drop down again. But I guess that's fine. I'm gonna let it on, and my cousin got a Integra and he took off the rear visor and then the window visors. So once I get some double-sided tape, I'm gonna install these, make a little video on that too. Yeah, starting to do stuff again to my cars. So let me warm up the car and then let's go to AutoZone. So I just got out of AutoZone, my local AutoZone. It's popping right now. They have music and everything. So I got the caliper tool, I got brake cleaner, I got anti-seize, and I got the loop for the sliding pin, so I had to go back home. So as I was telling you earlier, I don't know if the audio is going to be different because I have my earphones on, but you see, no hassle. Well, because I cracked them loose already earlier just to make sure, but no hassle. And then just so that won't happen, just so I won't hassle in the future, well, first I got the lubricant for the pins, and I got anti-seize and some brake cleaner. So yeah, first off, I'm gonna take off these. Pretty simple. These were impossible to take off in Integra, even almost stripped them, but I'll do that and then we'll continue to the back. Alright, so I had a really tough time loosening this one, getting it to crack open. I even put the rotor this way and I had to use this breaker bar and it still wasn't working. It was spinning, but it wasn't breaking loose. So what I noticed is this right here was spinning with it. So what I did is I just put this right here, let it sit down there. So when you put it up, because you have to go up, this would get it stuck with this, and it broke loose. So if you have that problem, there you go. Also, before you put the bracket on, make sure to take off the pins and put some lubricant on it again, and then put the bracket back on. So yeah, don't forget that. So there's the old ones, and look at how nice this looks. Other than, you know, that, but look at that. I'm putting on these. As you can see, I have some anti-seize on them. This one's a little bit more threaded in. You can see some anti-seize, but I'm gonna clean it up. And then just get your screwdriver and get going. And then just clean up like around whatever. And the screwdriver's all covered in anti-seize now, but make sure you're putting it in the correct pattern. I saw that one's a little different, so I'm guessing that's well, obviously that's passenger, but these actually have like a way, I noticed, so I just copied the same one to this side. And yeah, so just make sure you screw these on pretty tight, don't snap them though. And then pretty much the only tools I've used is what is this, 14. I've used 16s, which is for these rear ones right here. I have them just here, but that's for the bracket. And the screwdriver, pretty simple job. But then obviously you gotta rent a tool, or if you have a clamp, just to clamp the piston, and you just start putting stuff back together and get to the next side. Alright, so I just finished doing the pistons, and I opened the bleeder valve, as you can see. So the bleeder valve's right there. It's a 10 for the TSX, and then just put this little plate, which I found right here. I put the plate, and then you put the pad holder, and just twist, and now I have it's all good for this side, so I can put back the piston, and this side should be ready to go. I also put some grease right there, but I think some of it's going to show through here. You'll see right now. Let me just put everything back together. So this side is done now, as you can see, and that extra you can see right there. On the Integra right there, I do have to put it, but because in the Integra it's all closed, I believe. I don't know, I haven't done brakes in years, so so yeah, this side is done. Time to put the wheel back on and go on to the next side. Alright, so I did both sides. I think in total for everything it should take you an hour to an hour and a half, because I timed myself on this side. I wasn't going fast, but I was going at a decent pace. Like it's not like I wasn't taking my time, but I just wanted to see how fast I could do it going like at a decent speed. I wasn't rushing anything. And just turn on your car, and then just press on the brakes a couple of times, because the first time it's going to go all the way to the ground. So I'm just pressing on them till I feel it get better. And then you should buy brake fluid as well. I forgot to mention, because mine is low, as you can see. I had a little bit left from this one, but it's gone already, so I'm gonna have to go pick another one up. I want to see if there's anywhere, but no, I'm gonna have to go pick some up. I'm probably gonna go in the Integra because I don't want to risk it. So yeah, just make sure to keep pressing it, and then make sure it's all the way up. Other than that, it should all be good and ready to go. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna leave off the video. Just gonna go pick up more brake fluid, fill it up, and then it should be good. Later.